Hello, little friends. Welcome back to our fun alphabet adventure. Today, we are going to learn about an outstanding letter. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's the letter O. O is the 15th letter of the alphabet, and it starts so many outstanding words. Let's learn the interesting new words that starts with alphabet O. An octopus is a sea animal that starts with the letter O, which sounds like ow. Octopuses live in the ocean and have 8 long arms that help them swim and catch food. They are very smart and can change their color to blend in with their surroundings. Octopuses have soft bodies, so they can squeeze into tiny spaces and hide from predators. They also use their arms to explore and touch things around them. Learning about octopuses shows us how fascinating sea creatures can be and how they use their special features to live in the ocean. An opossum is a small, furry animal that starts with the letter O, which sounds like ow. Opossums are marsupials, which means they carry their babies in a pouch like a kangaroo. They have a long, prehensile tail that helps them balance and climb trees. Opossums are nocturnal, which means they come out at night to find food. They like to eat fruits, insects, and small animals. When they feel scared, they might play dead to trick predators. Learning about opossums helps us understand more about these interesting animals and their special ways of living. An orangutan is a large, orange-haired ape that starts with the letter O, which sounds like ow. Orangutans live in the forests of Borneo and Sumatra. They have long, strong arms that help them swing from tree to tree. They use their arms to move through the forest and to pick fruits to eat. Orangutans are very smart and can use tools, like sticks, to help them get food. They also like to build cozy nests high up in the trees where they sleep. Learning about orangutans shows us how amazing and clever these gentle giants are. An ostrich is a big bird that starts with the letter O, which sounds like ow. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world and cannot fly. They have long, strong legs that help them run very fast. Their feathers are soft and fluffy, and they are usually black and white. Ostriches lay big eggs, which are the largest eggs of any bird. They have a long neck and a small head, which helps them see far across the land. Learning about ostriches helps us understand these unique and speedy birds and how they live in the wild. An otter is a playful animal that starts with the letter O, which sounds like ow. Otters are small and furry, with webbed feet that help them swim in the water. They have a long, slender body and a thick coat of fur that keeps them warm. Otters love to play and can often be seen sliding down mud or snow banks. They eat fish and other small animals they catch while swimming. Otters are great swimmers and spend a lot of time in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Learning about otters shows us how fun and active these animals can be. An owl is a wise bird that starts with the letter O, which sounds like O. Owls have big, round eyes that help them see well in the dark. They have soft, fluffy feathers that keep them warm. Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around to look in different directions. They are great hunters and eat small animals like mice and insects. Owls make a hooting sound, which is their way of talking. They live in forests, trees, and sometimes even in barns. Learning about owls helps us understand these mysterious and interesting birds. An ox is a strong animal that starts with the letter O, which sounds like O. Oxen are large, sturdy animals with big horns on their heads. They are often used on farms to pull heavy loads and help with farming tasks. Oxen have a thick, brown or black coat that keeps them warm. They are gentle and work well in pairs. Farmers use them to plow fields and carry heavy items. Oxen are very important animals on the farm because they help with many chores. Learning about oxen shows us how helpful and hardworking these animals can be. An oven is a kitchen tool that starts with the letter O, which sounds like O. It's a big box used for cooking and baking food. The oven has a door you open to put food inside. It gets hot inside to cook things like cookies, cakes, and pizza. You turn dials or press buttons to set the temperature. Ovens can be electric or use gas. They help us make yummy meals and treats by baking or roasting them. Learning about ovens shows us how important they are for cooking and making delicious food. An orange is a fruit that starts with the letter O. It is round and has a bright orange color. The outside of an orange is bumpy and can be peeled off to get to the juicy inside. Oranges are very sweet and can be eaten fresh or used to make orange juice. They are healthy and full of vitamins that help us stay strong. You might see oranges in a fruit bowl or enjoy them in a glass of juice. Learning about oranges helps us understand more about fruits and how they keep us healthy. An olive is a small, round fruit that starts with the letter O. It comes in different colors like green and black. Olives are often found in salads or on pizzas. They have a shiny skin and a pit inside. Olives are also used to make olive oil, which is great for cooking. They grow on olive trees, which are very old and strong. Olives are healthy and help make our food taste yummy. Learning about olives teaches us about different foods and how they are used in our meals. Okra is a green vegetable that starts with the letter O. It looks like a long, skinny pod with ridges. Inside, it has tiny seeds. Okra is often used in soups and stews because it helps make the dish thicker. It has a unique texture and a mild taste. When cooked, okra can be soft and a little sticky. It grows on a plant with big, pretty flowers. Okra is healthy and full of vitamins, making it a great food for keeping our bodies strong. Learning about okra helps us discover new and tasty vegetables. An onion is a round vegetable that starts with the letter O. It has a thin, papery skin that can be white, yellow, or red. Inside, the onion has layers that are crunchy and juicy. Onions are used in many recipes to add flavor to our food. When we cut an onion, it can make our eyes watery because it releases a special juice. Onions grow under the ground and have green leaves that stick up from the soil. They are healthy and can make many dishes taste delicious. Learning about onions helps us understand more about the foods we eat. An omelette is a tasty food that starts with the letter O. It's made from eggs, which are cooked in a pan. The eggs are beaten and then poured into the hot pan. As the eggs cook, they turn into a soft, fluffy dish. You can add yummy things like cheese, vegetables, or ham to the omelette. When it's cooked, you fold it in half, and it looks like a half moon. Omelettes are a great breakfast food and can be eaten at any time of the day. Learning about omelettes helps us explore different foods we can enjoy. Oatmeal is a warm and healthy breakfast food that starts with the letter O. It's made from oats, which are small grains. To make oatmeal, you cook oats with water or milk until they become soft and creamy. You can add sweet things like honey or fruits like bananas and apples to make it even tastier. Oatmeal is good for you because it gives you energy and helps you feel full. It's a nice way to start the day with a warm, yummy meal. Learning about oatmeal helps us understand how different foods keep us healthy and strong. An oyster is a sea creature that starts with the letter O. Oysters live in the ocean and are covered by a hard shell. Inside their shell, they have a soft, squishy body. Oysters can be found in groups called beds or reefs. Some people like to eat oysters, and they're often served in special ways like raw on the half shell or cooked in dishes. Oysters also help keep the ocean clean by filtering water. Learning about oysters teaches us about the sea and the amazing creatures that live in it. Onion rings start with the letter O. They are a tasty treat made from onions. To make onion rings, onions are sliced into round shapes, dipped in a batter or breadcrumbs, and then fried until they are golden and crispy. When you bite into an onion ring, it's crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. They are often served as a snack or side dish in restaurants. Onion rings are fun to eat and can be enjoyed with different dips, like ketchup or ranch. Learning about onion rings shows us how food can be prepared and enjoyed. Oil starts with the letter O. It's a liquid that comes from plants, animals, or the ground. We use oil in many ways. In cooking, oil helps to make food taste delicious and keeps it from sticking to the pan. It can be olive oil, vegetable oil, or even coconut oil. Oil is also used in machines and cars to help them run smoothly. Some oils, like motor oil, are important for keeping engines working well. Oil can be clear or yellow and is often kept in bottles or cans. Learning about oil helps us understand its many useful purposes. Overalls start with the letter O. They are a type of clothing that covers both the top and bottom of your body. Overalls are made from sturdy fabric and have two straps that go over your shoulders. They usually have large pockets on the front, which are great for holding small things like toys or tools. People wear overalls when they are working, playing, or just having fun. They are often worn by farmers, builders, and kids who like to play outside. Overalls are comfy and protect your clothes, making them perfect for adventures and work. An overcoat is a long, warm coat that you wear on top of your clothes when it's cold outside. It's like a big, cozy blanket that keeps you warm when the weather is chilly. Overcoats are usually made of thick materials like wool or heavy fabric, which help to block the wind and keep you comfortable. They often have buttons, a collar, and sometimes even a belt to keep them snug around your body. People wear overcoats in winter to stay warm while walking outside or playing in the snow.